It's a new day. Here's where we slept last night. Hey, dear.
Good morning. Okay.
People in the Bible Belt of America think that California is all like liberal and heathen, but we cannot find a non-Christian radio station to save our lives. It's like, what, 3 stations now?
At least 3.
Like a cold mountain river, sometimes I find I'm moving like a freight train towards that old timberline. Like an eagle sitting tall in that pine tree so high, I'm waiting for the wind to carry me to the sky. I wanna fly, fly, spirit fly, where the chains of...
Alright, where are we?
We are at Thomas something Kutchel Visitor Center, Redwoods National Park.
Yeah.
Redwood National Park.
My office, the fears of the day try to capture my soul, Lord, and hide it away. But my mind starts to wander, my soul starts to dream. I'm thinking of the wilderness, the leaves make feeling clean. I wanna fly.
This is all hail that just fell on the ground while we were inside watching a movie about redwoods.
Fly, spirit fly. Fly, spirit fly.
It's kind of like those times when you see like a sign that says like deer crossing and you're like, how do the deer know to cross here? Like there's a literal sign that says wild elk. How do they know? Also, I just don't want to get killed by that elk.
Well, I run from the building, my sails start to fill. The bow starts to lifting and my hands on the tail. The river starts to rumble, it's falling like rain. The wind lifts my wings, I think I'm going insane. I wanna fly. Fly spirit fly, come on now. Fly spirit fly, come on now. Fly spirit fly, come on now. Yeah. Fly spirit fly, come on now. Fly spirit fly, come on now. Fly spirit fly, come on now. Yeah. Well, I'm standing here patiently waiting on the ground, looking toward the heavens, waiting for the trumpet sound. When the bridge shall be open, time will be no more. Like a condor in flight, whether this man's gonna soar, I wanna fly, fly, spirit fly, fly, spirit fly. I wanna fly, spirit fly.
There's the Pacific Ocean again.
Can you see it?
Out behind us is some sort of Cascadia subduction zone where 2 tectonic plates are colliding and they produce the strongest earthquakes in the world. I just read that on the sign.
Oh. There's a giant Paul Bunyan over
Sunday morning I felt afraid.
Now it is snowing. Nate says it was raining in slow motion.
Someone leaving the world today.
We're about to cross into Oregon. Our only border crossing for this trip.
I looked low, I looked high, I only miss one friend. Before I go,
Another thrift store.
I look high again. So I went looking up in heaven, but you weren't anywhere in sight.
Nope, not doing it.
They asked me to stick around, but without you it just wasn't right. I went looking up in heaven, but it wasn't.
Yeah, I pretty much want to just get some food. Sorry.
What were we saying?
Okay, I was saying I pretty much want to just get some food at the Crazy Norwegian, go to the Airbnb, and just like hang out. I'm freezing, and maybe do some yoga because my back hurts.
Where are we at this time?
I think this is the natural bridge. Not the one that was like 2 miles ago, and not the one that was just a mile ago. I think this is it. And look, it looks more official than the last time. There's really no real reason to go that way. I can see it from here. Should be like, Wendy's shoes are waterproof. Nate's shoes are flip-flops. Also waterproof.
We're trying to stay warm by running to see Arch Rock. What do you think?
It's definitely a rock with a hole in it.
Back to the car.
It's so beautiful here.
Anywhere in sight. Sunday evening I get the blues. Someone sleeping in her tennis shoes. I look low and I look high, only miss one friend. Before I go, I look high again.
Rest stops are so beautiful here.
That's not a rest stop.
What is that?
Somebody's mansion or something.
I went looking up in heaven, but you weren't anywhere in sight. They asked me to stick around, but without you it just wasn't right.
This will be a good time lapse, actually.
Yeah.
I went looking up in heaven, but you weren't anywhere in sight.
I love Driftwood. So this is like Driftwood heaven.
I met a little angel, she asked me if I could step outside.
Excited?
I'll make you forget it, I'll make you forget it. Baby, won't you watch me fly?